all about the ears today. First things first, we need to clean the area so all will go well. Of course, we have our handy dandy rubbing alcohol. Use a rag or a cotton swab to clean the area. Now, and I have to admit this, I have a bit smaller ears than the regular person, or so I've been teased by my family. And also, I have an extra step I have to do when applying elf ears. See, and here's a little bit of story time for you guys, a bit embarrassing. When I lived in California for 2 years, I had one roommate for 6 months, and we'd do everything together and grew to be quite good friends, but when we went to go get our haircut on the same day, he asked the lady to also trim my ears. I was like, what? Apparently, unbeknownst to me, my little ears have little fluffy hairs that grow. I thought this was only an old man thing, but apparently I have little white fluff on the outside of my ears,